Hey guys, there's two potential autofails at this intersection of Arroyo Grande and Wigwam. We have new traffic lights in Las Vegas, and the green arrow is in a different position than it normally is. And there's also a sign now that says no turn on red, so drivers are not seeing that one either. This autofail happened, however, because the student stopped on a green for no reason, didn't see the green arrow. This time, look for the no turn on red. There's been a multitude of accidents at this intersection, cars turning right on red, but there's limited sight distance looking to the left. There's actually a hill. You can't see the cars coming over the hill until it's too late. Well, we're over here. When you encounter a Sharo bike lane, don't swerve out of it. You share the road with the bike. They can take up the full lane ahead of you. Just give them a lot of distance. Only change lanes if the examiner tells you to. You might be turning right at the next corner. Okay, I just wanted to do this quick video about the new light positions in Las Vegas and the new sign for no turning on red. Also, if you live in Las Vegas and you got a driving test coming up, you'd like me to do a mock drive test with you, reach out in the comments below. You'll also see a link there for Roadside Emergency Kit. It's the one that I use. Everybody needs one.